that person that you have a crush on or whatever that you're fighting over, he might be abusive. They might be dirty. Like, you don't know. You just don't know who people are. And you shouldn't try to force anything that is seemingly not happening. Like, it might be not happening for a reason. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Brianna and I make videos to motivate and inspire women like myself to balance your worlds, health, beauty, lifestyle wise. So for today's video, I will be telling y'all 3/4 steps to not be jealous ever again in your life, in your existence, in this world, ever. I felt the need to talk about this because social media has always been something that, stimulates, facilitates jealousy and comparison. And I'm tired of it. Like, I literally have to stop myself from scrolling just because of all of the negativity or the attention seeking. And that's been growing a lot over the past few years. I mean, like, why is it so important to have the attention of as many people as possible? Like, you don't want everybody to know your moves. You don't want everybody to know what you have going on. So that just never made sense to me. I mean, it's cool to have attention sometimes, but don't be an attention whore, okay? There's no need. Don't be an attention whore. If you follow my tips, you will be all right. And while I'm giving y'all these tips, I'm going to be doing my makeup, just my simple everyday YouTube look. So here we go. Before we start, I just want to give a shout out to Denise from Lashed and Dangerous. I got my eyelashes done today. Eyelash Extensions. If you don't know about them, then I will do a separate video telling you about them, how they work, how the process goes, aftercare, all of that. I just want to shout her out. Go follow her on Instagram. If you are in the metropolitan Detroit area, you can get your lashes done by her because she is so good. These are the mega volumes, and this is what I wanted to show y'all. This little aftercare bag that she gave me, and I have a refer a friend card. So if you want to get 20% off your service, you can message me and I will say that I referred you. And also, she did my eyebrows as well. So she does lashes and she does eyebrows. She waxed them. And yeah, I love it. I love this look. I love the convenience. In this aftercare bag, you get, of course, a brush so you can make sure they're nice and straight and looking good. Also, you get, well, I chose lip mask. She has lip mask and eye masks, so I will be using that soon. Here is her business card. I will put everything in the description box so y'all can go follow her and book your appointments. Okay, so we are talking about how to not be jealous. I know that, like, people don't be jealous about stuff on purpose. Like, that's not something that most people are just thinking about, like, consciously, like,
let me be jealous of her.
Like, no. But there are ways around that jealousy. And this is not even just about another person per se. It could be about, like, a job that you didn't get, or, I mean, I guess it is all around people. It could be like you're jealous that somebody you like somebody else or is looking at somebody else, or you could be jealous that, I don't know, in terms of friendships, in terms of somebody getting a job, or somebody just having different clothes than you. I don't know. It could be anything that you're jealous of in terms of other people. Okay, I'm sorry. I can't really concentrate on this and talk at the same time. The first point of my 3, and actually it's really 4. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to find out all of the points, because I need everybody to see this. I need every female to see this. because we don't do jealousy anymore. We're not doing that anymore. Number one, know who you are. That's simple. Know who you are. There is nobody out of 8-9 billion people, whatever, however many people it is, there is no one who can be you. Nobody can copy your exact swag, your exact walk, your exact face, your looks. Nobody can 100% copy what you have. Like, we are all unique in our own ways, and we have to learn how to embrace that rather than thinking that it's something negative, because we always get made fun of for being different. But who wants to be the same as everybody? That's so boring. You have to embrace those differences, and actually in the real world, being different or being creative or being outside of the norm is rewarding. If you come up with $1 million idea that nobody else has come up with, that's different, that nobody has thought about before, you can get rich off of that idea. We need to embrace who we are as we are. First of all, like, of course you can make changes to your looks. You can wear makeup, or you can even get plastic surgery or whatever, make whatever changes to make yourself more confident. But at the end of the day, you have to be happy with yourself at some point. When you know who you are, nobody can make you feel like you're less than, or nobody can make you feel like you're not this or that. And if you find it hard to think about or know who you are, look at the best pictures of yourself. Look, because everybody got good pictures. Everybody got good pictures. Don't try to tell me I don't have any good pictures. You do. Everybody got at least one good picture of themselves. And if not, then take more pictures. When you have those nice pictures of yourself, it's like, oh, okay. Like, even if you're looking ugly that day, you can look back on that and be like, okay, I am cute. Like, there's no need to be jealous of any other person. Like, literally. I saw a Pinterest pin that said, if 99% of the population, the world's population, thought you were unattractive, there would still be 75 million people who thought you were attractive. Let that sink in. I know I have dandruff. If 99% of the world's population thought that you were unattractive, 75 million people will still think that you're attractive. So that is a lot of people when you think about it. If you're not confident about who you are, there's always going to be somebody who likes your face, who likes your hair, who likes your voice, how you speak, who likes how you say a certain word, how you laugh, how you dress. There's always going to be somebody, multiple people, who appreciate that about you, or some type of element about you, and who will be obsessed with you. So there is no need to be jealous of anybody else. Second point is to distract yourself. Make yourself busy. Keep your mind off of whatever or whomever you are jealous of. Do something that makes you better. Do something that makes you happy. If you're not, like I said, if you're not happy with how you look, then make those changes. Or if you want something that somebody has, go get it. Everything is attainable. I mean that in terms of material things. If you're jealous of somebody's house, somebody's car, that just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. You can get that house, you can get that car. You just gotta work hard for it. So there's no need to be jealous of anything material, anything materialistic. If it's a body, I strongly encourage embracing your own body, and if you do want to make a change, I encourage making natural changes like exercising and, you know, squats and all of that. Eating different. Some people do want plastic surgery. Some people do feel like they have to go that route, and that's perfectly fine. But that's another point in saying why there's no need to be jealous of anybody, because at the end of the day, you can have whatever you're jealous of in some way, shape, or form. You need to do something to not make yourself focus on whatever you're jealous of if you're not working to get what you're jealous of. Does that make sense? If you're not working towards getting what you're jealous of, then distract yourself from what you are jealous of. Talking to somebody who knows how to hype you up, who knows how to motivate you, whatever hobbies you like, because if you are doing those hobbies, then you won't be thinking about what you don't have. Point number 3, you need to understand that everything is not for everybody. Everything is not for everybody. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. And I'm repeating those on purpose. You might be jealous of somebody having something or of a certain relationship or anything, but you don't know what is going to come to you. You don't know if you are going to get that car or if you are going to get that house without even thinking about it. You don't know what's coming to you. So how are you going to be jealous when that was not meant for you? That car was not meant for you at that time. And the universe has impeccable timing. I've said that before. And then, like a lot of celebrities say this part, you might have a certain idea of what you think that thing is like or that person is like, and they might be something completely different that you don't even understand. It might be fun, like getting invited to the cool parties or having famous friends or whatever they say, whatever y'all think is good about being a celebrity and being famous. But those big celebrities, they cannot live life as a normal person. They cannot go anywhere without being asked for this or that, an autograph or a picture or whatever. They can't, they have to be careful giving out certain information. Like even with YouTube and with me, I am a very small YouTuber right now, but I still have to be careful about what I share, because there are people out there who are not mentally stable, and they will take information and find you, like how Aaliyah's face, somebody put her whole address on Twitter because they were careless, because they were trying to make fun of whatever, and she had to move. Like that's not fun. That's not a fun part about being known. All that glitters is not gold. That person that you have a crush on or whatever that you're fighting over, he might be abusive. She, they might be abusive. They might be dirty. Like, you don't know. You just don't know who people are. And you shouldn't try to force anything that is seemingly not happening. Like, it might be not happening for a reason, because everything is not for you. If you want to know the stuff that I'm using, because we're not focused on that today, I'm just giving y'all a visual aid, so y'all just not looking at me talk. But if you want to know what I'm using, you can go watch this video. There is absolutely no reason to be jealous of anything. Like, literally, if you really think about it, anything you want other than an actual person, anything you want, you can have. And if you can't have that person or what you think that person is, you can find somebody with the same qualities, with the same looks. Like, there's so many people in this world, and you might not even be ready to be in a relationship while you being jealous of people. Oh, wait, I just really said this. I just really blended points 3 and 4. Basically, understand that you are your own competition. Like you are the only person that should be competing, that you should be competing with, because there's no point of competing with somebody else, because nobody's the same. Nobody, I know we have people who are in the same industries, who are like with athletics. I really don't care for athletics and stuff like that. I really don't care for competition in general. Like, I'll be playing a video game or something. Like, I used to be a little competitive with video games because of society, but I don't really like competition games. I don't really mess with, like, I'll play it for fun, but I'll be a boring competitor because I'd be like, okay, I lost. Next game, whatever. Like, it really don't be that serious to me. My last point is that you don't always know the whole story behind whatever it is. You don't know the whole story behind, like, that job might be something completely different than what you thought. It might have completely different responsibilities. So you just cannot force anything. I'm so upset about this lip gloss. It is ColourPop in the shade WeHo, but it is not, they don't make it anymore. It's discontinued. And I'm just like, why? Like, do y'all know any dupes for this? Because I also have Bestie, and I thought they were like close enough to where I could get away with this one, because I have more of this one left. But I don't like that one. I like this one. I just like this specific shade, and they don't sell it anymore. They don't make it anymore. And I looked on the website to see if they have a similar one, but it's like, you never really know online, because this one is literally perfect. And I'm literally running out, and I'm so upset. I know my ponytail looks crazy. I don't know. I'm doing this so I can film another video, but I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair because it looks crazy on camera. I want to hear y'all jealousy stories, crazy stuff that y'all have done for jealousy, or like a person or a thing that you were jealous of that you thought was something but it really wasn't. Follow those key points and you will be just fine. Everything that is meant for you is coming. So just get excited about that. Like, excite yourself about what is coming for you, and be grateful for what you already have, because sometimes you might be jealous of something but you don't even realize you already got it. You know, life is so short. Life is so short. There's literally no time for you to be jealous. There's no time. It's like, either go get it or shut up. It's like, either go get it or just don't say anything. Don't be mad, because you can get it. Those were my 3/4 key points on how to not be jealous. If you follow those, you will be golden. Okay, that is a jealous proof. Those are jealous proof steps. Every time, if you follow them all, you will never be jealous again. Before I end this video, do not forget to check out Lashed and Dangerous. And if you book an appointment, let her know that I sent you, okay? Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.